How to change fund password in Gate.io. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bhuvan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your fund password in Gate.io. Now to change your fund password in Gate.io, first you want to head into your browser. Once on your browser, what you want to do is you want to head into Gate.io. There you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right of your screen and then head into the security settings option. You can see security settings right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to scroll down, and under password management, you'll find two different options, that is password and fund password. You can see change beside each option, so you want to tap on change below the option fund password. Once you tap on change, it'll give you an option here. So you want to enter in your old password, you want to enter in your new password, confirm your new password, and then tap on send on this email code here. Once you tap on send, it'll send a email code for confirmation on your email. Then you want to enter it here and then tap on confirm. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot password, and once you tap on forgot password here, this will load up. Here you want to first tap on send option here, and it'll send an email code to your email. Then you want to enter in the code here, tap on next, and reset your password. So this is the way that you can change your fund password in Gate.io. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.